Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that creates a tuple of 5 city names and then convert the tuple into a list, add a new city to the list, and then convert it back to tuple and print the final tuple. So we would like to first write a tuple, convert it to a list, add a new city to the list and convert it back to tuple and then print the final tuple. Why do we need to first convert a tuple to a list and then add a city? Why don't we directly add the city into the tuple? Because when we create a tuple, it's not possible to modify them. This is one of the features of the tuples. This is why when we want to add something to the tuple, it's not possible. So a trick would be here to convert the tuple to a list, then add a city to that list and create a new tuple and convert that list into a tuple and assign it to the new tuple. So here, for example, I'm having a tuple called cities. It has London, Paris, Tokyo, New York, and Sydney inside of it. And then this cities is being converted to lists using the list function. Basically, I type down the list keyword and in the parentheses, I type down the name of my subtuple and it is assigned to cities list. So cities list is the list version of cities tuple for now. Then I take the cities list and use the append function to add Berlin to my list. So now my list is updated and it has a new city called Berlin. Okay. And now the appending is done. I need to convert it back to tuple and create a new tuple. To convert it to a tuple, we use the tuple function and I'm using it here, and in the parentheses I type down the name of my list, the updated list, cities underscore list, which has Berlin inside of it as well. Then this is assigned to my variable, which is a tuple, which is called updated cities. Then I'm using the print function, updated tuples, and then put down the updated cities. So when I run this code, I see London, Paris, Tokyo, New York, and Sydney is already there, and Berlin is added, and it's a tuple because we see parentheses here. Okay, so let me review it one more time. So we want to declare a tuple. Then in order to add a new city to this tuple, because tuples do not allow this, we convert this tuple to a list, we append the new city in that list, and then we convert that list to a tuple. And we are going to print the final tuple for us. So this is my tuple. I'm converting it to a list using the list function. And now cities underscore list is exactly equal to this cities tuple because it's just converting from a tuple using the list function and it is assigned to this. Okay. Then I use the name of my list, which is cities underscore list dot append. Using the append function, I add the new city, Berlin. So now my list is having a new city inside of it. And then I take this cities list in the parentheses and I use the tuple function to convert this updated cities list to a tuple. And it is assigned to a new tuple that is called updated cities. And then this updated cities is being printed in the output. Thank you for watching.